In this digital age, money knows no borders, but choosing the right path for your international transfers can feel like wandering through a maze of options like the UK and Indian banks, various online platforms and apps, and even hawala money transfers. Unless you are an Indian politician or an ultra rich person, you will most likely not be using hawala for international money transfers. So in this video, we as tax-paying, law-abiding citizens are about to explore two standout contenders that could be your ultimate money transfer companions for UK to India transfers, Remitly and Wise. Stick around as I unravel the secrets behind these financial platforms and help you find the perfect route for your hard earned funds from UK to India. Hello, my name is Suman and I'm an Indian doctor living and working in the UK. My parents live in India and I also have some other financial commitments there, so the need to send money back home becomes paramount. And this is something that every Indian who relocates to UK, be it for work or to study, will definitely face at some point in their life. Also in 2023, the relatively higher pound to Indian rupees exchange rates make sending money to India a favorable option. Before I delve into the details, let's introduce our contenders, Wise and Remitly. I have provided the links to both the platforms in the description box below and pinned comments for you to check them out. Both platforms have gained traction as options for international money transfers. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, aims to provide cost effective currency exchange, while Remitly focuses on seamless cross border money transfers. It is quite clear that the rates offered by major UK or Indian banks are not competitive and the transfer process is slow compared to other online platforms. Exploring options like Wise and Remitly was a natural step. Wise's transparent fees and competitive exchange rates caught my attention. The ability to send money directly to my family's bank account or my own NRE or NRO account provided a sense of reliability. Wise is also FCA regulated, which is a UK Financial Conduct Authority. On the other hand, Remitly's flexibility with delivery methods like mobile wallet, for example Paytm in India, and various other payment options like credit or debit card are excellent features which are not commonly available in other platforms. In comparing both the platforms, let's discuss about their coverage. Both Wise and Remitly include the UK and India within their networks. As for fees and exchange rates, Wise is known for its transparent mid-market rates and low fees, often lower than traditional banks. Now, what is this mid-market rate? Generally speaking, bankers are willing to pay a certain price for a currency and they're willing to sell it for a certain price. The midpoint of these two prices is the mid-market rate. Since that's the rate the market naturally sets, it's the realest or fairest rate out there. And this is the rate that Wise gives you when you send money to over 80 countries. Remitly, on the other hand, offers a competitive pricing, and as a new user, you might even get a reduced fee or promotional rates. If you have never used Remitly before, then please do check out my link in the description box below so that you can avail the special promotional rates. To understand the actual fees and compare different platforms, I prefer first going to the Wise platform and put £1,000 for transfer to India. Then when you click on the compare price link, you can see the comparison between various platforms including the fees and the actual amount that reaches the Indian bank account. If you notice carefully, the mid-market rates for Wise are higher than the rates for Remitly. So for £1,000, I would choose Wise over Remitly. Now, if I'm planning to transfer, for example, £3,000, though the rates for Wise are better than Remitly, but the fees of Wise are higher. The actual money that reaches my Indian bank account is higher in case of Remitly as compared to Wise for £3,000. So you can see that different platforms can be preferable depending on the amount transferred, their fees, and their exchange rates. And you can easily work this out by going to the Wise website. Time is money, quite literally, when it comes to transfers. Wise typically offers mid-range delivery times, while Remitly provides the option for both express and economy delivery speeds. Wise's delivery can take couple of business days, whereas Remitly's express option can often deliver within minutes, and the economy option within 3 to 5 business days. But in my experience, it's usually much quicker than that. Don't forget that the express option is actually costlier than the economy option. The payment methods on these platforms also differ. Wise primarily operates through bank transfers, allowing you to send money directly from your bank account. Remitly offers more variety, including debit or credit cards. Of course, there is an additional charge for using the cards. Now let's think about the recipients. Wise delivers funds directly to the recipient's bank account, while Remitly offers a range of choices from bank deposits to cash pickup and mobile wallet, for example, the Paytm. They often offer home delivery in certain countries but not in India. Let's talk practicality now. Sending money through Wise involves currency conversion at mid-market rate, and it's a straightforward process. On Remitly, you initiate the transfer, choose your delivery method, and provide the recipient details. Both the platforms have mobile app as well as websites. I personally prefer using their websites. You can easily register for your account, add your UK and Indian bank accounts, and initiate transfers within minutes. Now, each platform has its advantages, but remember, personal circumstances vary. Factors like cost, delivery speed, and recipient options are crucial consideration. Before choosing, I recommend thoroughly exploring your options and conducting research tailored to your own personal situation. So why consider Wise or Remitly? Wise's mid-market rates and low fees are appealing, particularly if you frequently deal with currency conversions. Remitly's range of delivery options and competitive pricing can be advantageous, especially if you're looking for flexibility. In conclusion, both Wise and Remitly offer solutions for Indians in the UK seeking to send money to India. However, it's essential to weigh your priorities and choose the platform that aligns best with your unique needs. If you found this comparison helpful, please do like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, make informed decisions and ensure your money reaches where it's needed the most.